Guys, good morning everyone. Hi my millionaire friends. This is our sixth day here in Tashkent in Uzbekistan. So, ang sixth day na po natin today and DIY. We are going to have our lunch somewhere via Google. Let's go. So today is our last day here kasi bukas ng 3 AM yung flight natin pabalik ng Dubai. So may sakura din pala dito pag spring. So ayan na siya. Mastawa. Rice with vegetables and meat. O, diba? All in. Hey guys. After our lunch, magme-metro tayo papunta ng Chorsu Bazaar. So, let's go. Ayan. Ganda ng mga plato.
Walang pangalan. Wala, kalaki na ito daw. Men? Ay, hindi na. Pinili ko yung...
Let's try their pomegranate juice. Ano yung lemon
5
nila?
dirham. 5,005.
Mga parang Nutella, caramel, cream cheese.
Nisholda. This is Nisholda. This is Sumalak.
Ah, try mo.
हर किलो में बेराम हर किलो बेरो
Bit ko to eh. Dark ko.
Paborito naming bread here.
Okay.
Masarap pa yung umon?
Oo, masarap.
Dala tayo doon?
Pangtsa.
Dala tayo?
Sarap siya. Check guys, it's 2:54 local time. It's almost 3 PM. So, namimili kami ng mga pampasalubong. We are here at Chorsu Bazaar pa rin. So, after nito, uwi na kami. May metro. Ayan. Ayan yung mga pinamili ng mga auntie. Oh. Ito.
Try mo.
Ayan, sa Chorsu Bazaar. Chorsu Bazaar. Ayan na guys. I bought popcorn. Masarap. May metro dito. Chorsu. May metro tayo pa uwi. Para na tayong mga lokal ah. So again guys, you can use your Visa card sa metro. Ayan. Okay. Ito tayo guys. I'm a local here in Uzbekistan. Like, yeah, I really feel like I'm a local. I belong Okay, I think we have to get down at the station. See you guys. Thank you for watching our video. Until the next trip. Bye. Ooh. So, uwi na tayo guys.
Sige, upo ka na.
Hala, tagkapoy ang auntie. Upo daw muna siya kasi ang dami na niyang steps.
Saan ba tayo kanina?
Doon tayo na to.
Sa lakad lang tayo?
So, how was your experience guys?
Amazing. Very amazing and absolutely to come back.
Oh, when? Babalik daw siya.
Spring.
So,
No, just to eat the samsa, Mustafa, and she's with. That's it.
grabe, they have the best barbecue here.
Yes, best food.
Tawag sa barbecue nila ay sashlik and ang sarap, sobrang sarap ng food nila actually. So, ang may kaka-recommend kong food to my fellow Filipinos, fellow Asians.
It's the only
Anyway, food is relative naman. So for me, ang nag-stand out talaga is yung Mustafa, yung soup with vegetables and meat. As in, super, I love it so much. Tapos yung barbecue nila is really good. Really good, like fresh, juicy, as in sobrang sarap guys. The chicken. Ang bread nila ang sasarap. Merong mga bread na soft lang talaga. Even after days, soft pa rin siya. And I love their tea. As a tea lover, like, basta masarap. And ano pa bang maganda dito? Their transportation is absolutely amazing. Mag-download lang kayo nung sinasabi kong Yandex Go. Oh my God, wala na. From point A to point B, ihahatid ka na. And very, very cheap. As in, napaka-cheap. And even the metro is very accessible and pwede kang gumamit ng Visa card mo. Like, it was only, magkano lang? 50 pills.
Tayo din yun.
50 pills.
Dalawa man kayo.
So, guys, maraming salamat for watching our vlog. Wala lang. One day, this is my
Bigat? Okay na yung
online diary. One day, babalik-balik ka nakin to watch. Ay! Nakapunta pala ako ng Uzbekistan, char. Diba? So, I am just so grateful to the UAE. Kasi,
Pinisahan.
because ang dami nating mga bansa na pwedeng puntahan using our residence visa. Yeah. So, pauwi na tayo sa ating hotel. Mag-walking lang tayo. Nearby lang naman. Hi guys. It's our last night here in Tashkent. So, we're having dinner. Hanap tayo ng makakainan. So, ayun, they're not yet done with the chicken, barbecue chicken, because it is just so good. You'll never get tired eating this, as in sobrang sarap niya. Kasi lang knife.
Saan ba yung sinasabi mo?
Don't get enough.
iba-iba mo sa ano?
Ano lang yun, parang
Parang
yung soft niya. Oh.
kinainan kasi natin kanina. Parang ano lang yun siya.
Putok man tutok.
Sarap yung chicken ano? Why?
Tapos may rice kami dito. Ooh, tama na. Let's try the rice. Nag-order. Ala, ano siya? Parang jasmine. No?
Iba yung ano. Sarap.
Rice. Oh my God.
Sarap ng rice nila.
Iba talaga no, pag may rice. Tapos barbecue na. Ganito kasarap. Oh my God.
Kulang sa sawan. Lasa ng barbecue parang
Malasa na kasi yung barbecue. Wow, grabe ka juicy. White onion, barbecue plus rice. Diba sabi nila, nobody's perfect. No, perfect man eh. Siya. Oh, kita nyo? Oh. So, tapos na po yung ating last dinner in the city. Grabe, sobrang sarap. From day 1 until day 6. Oh, the food here in Uzbekistan never fail us. Oh my God, ang sarap. So, yung kinain namin today is worth magkano yung bill? 145,000. Grabe ka mga mayayaman. 145,000 some. Which is approximately 45 dirhams. Oh, I know, right? Ayan lang. So ngayon punta muna kami ng grocery store, supermarket for last shopping. Dito na tayo sa grocery store. Ayan, kumuha tayo ng lemon. Ayan, nandito yung mga... Ayan, mga nag-ano lang sila. Oh. Mga tea.
Kano? Ay, mas mura dito kaysa sa
Ayan,
ano.
oh.
Flirt, ano tong flirt?
Saan to? Saan nga to? Nag-ano tayo?
Yung Ahmad tea, meron yan sa Dubai. Yan, meron yan. Pero dito kasi nakasale, oh. Yan, oh. Ginger mojito. Green tea, lemon peel, and mint. Ito masarap yan, yung Greenfield.
Oh, meron ako niya, madami sa bahay.
Ah,
Pero Melissa, ang ano niya. Ito, ano kaya to?